माननीय राज्यपाल महोदयांनी आपले अभिभाषणाक सुरुवात करची.
स्पीकर सर, पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर. स्पीकर सर, महामहिम गव्हर्नराच्या अभिभाशणाक आमकां बॉयकॉट करपाचें नासलें.
राज्यपालांचे अभिभाषण आसा. माननीय विरोधी पक्षनेते यांच्यानी बसून घेवचे.
केन्नाच आयकून घेतली ना. सुरवाती साकून ते आतां पर्यंत
माननीय राज्यपाल महोदयांनी सुरुवात
गव्हर्नर आमी
करची.
गेले तेन्ना आमचे केन्नाच
राज्यपालांचे अभिभाषण आसा. माननीय विरोधी पक्षनेते तुम्ही बसून घेवचे.
तुका आमी येवकार दिल्लो आसा, पूण आयज तेंची ती उलयता आसतना
ओम सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सहवीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांती शांती शांती.
आमची विनंती त्यांनी मानून घेतली ना.
Mr.
चार
Speaker,
वेळा आम्ही गव्हर्नरा फुडल्यान
and honorable members of Goa Legislative Assembly,
केन्नाच ऐकून घेतली ना.
I
तेन्ना
deem
तेका लागून
it
आमकां
a
नाका
great
आसलें की
privilege
हांगा
to
महामहिम
extend
गव्हर्नराचे
my
उलोवप चलता
heartiest
आसतना बॉयकॉट
greetings
करपाक नाका आसलें.
for the new
मजबूरन आमकां
year
हें करची पडटा.
and
कित्याक आमी
welcome
जे
you
गेल्ले
all
ते
for
गोंयचे
the
जनतेचे
first
वटेन गेल्ले.
session
आमी
of the
सगळे
Goa
आमदार गेले ते
Legislative
गोंयचे प्रजेचे
Assembly
वटेन गेल्ले.
for this year.
गोंयच्या लोकांचे जे
My
माननीय विरोधी
government
पक्षनेते
is
बसून घ्या.
committed in the
त्याच्या बद्दल
safety
गेल्ले.
and
पूण
security
आमचे महामहिम
not
गव्हर्नरान कांयच
only
ऐकून
of the
घेतलं ना.
citizens
तेका लागून आमी
but
बॉयकॉट
also
करता.
visiting tourists. The overall law and order situation in the state has remained under control due to implementation of various preventive measures. The crime rate has declined remarkably during 2018. At the same time, crime detection rate has increased by 4 decimal in 2018 as compared to 2017. In order to create awareness about road discipline, Traffic Sentinel scheme has been upgraded to Goa Traffic Sentinel. My government is aware that the Home Guard service is primarily a volunteer service, rendering valuable assistance to police in maintaining law and order as well as management of traffic. It is a matter of pride that the state of Goa has bagged the National Tourism Award for the second time in the category of comprehensive development of tourism management. All members will appreciate that Raj Bhavan has been opened for the public as well as tourists from January 2019. I am delighted to inform that the move is aimed to give people an opportunity to explore the heritage wealth of this place as well as its rich flora and fauna and its mesmerizing scenic beauty. All of us have to appreciate the way Goa has progressed remarkably and has emerged as one of the progressive, forward-looking and prosperous state. I would like to inform this august House that my government would lay greater emphasis on achieving sustainable development goals in a time-bound manner, facilitating ease of doing business and rendering quality time-bound services in all spheres. You are all well aware that though there is a revenue resource crunch in the state, the gross state domestic product estimates has registered a growth rate of above 13% for 2016 and 17 and expected to achieve a growth rate of above 12% during 2017 and 18 with a per capita income of rupees 4.60 lakh, which is highest in the country and more than 3 times the national average, thus portraying robust and healthy economy. My government is committed to transfer the financial benefits directly to the beneficiaries through digital payment. The state has been very proactive in successfully implementing the UID Aadhaar project in the state with an impressive Aadhaar generation over 107% and 83% coverage in the age group of 0-5 years. Efforts are on to cover the elusive 17% on a mission mode. 100 Aadhaar enrollment kits have been acquired and are set up in 12 identified departments. I am happy to say that Goa stood at third place in the country for having high human development index for the year 2018. Our vision is to build a happy, inclusive, and an innovative progressive state, and we aspire to be one of the best states in the country. Honorable members, my government is working tirelessly to improve the revenue of the state and has enforced Goods and Service Tax Act. The revenue collections of GST have excise have recorded a growth of 9% and 23% respectively till December 2018 as compared to previous year. In order to improve the timely delivery of public delivery system to the citizens and saving considerable man hours, the Goa Excise Management System has been implemented. My government is committed to complete the state-of-the-art infrastructure facilities in time for the forthcoming 36th National Games to be hosted during 2019, which will give a good exposure to the Goan sports person to excel at the national, international level tournaments. Honorable members, may recall that the development journey so far was not easy, and it is only due to our determination, self-respect, and self-confidence that the state has become a role model in certain areas due to astute leadership, support, and cooperation of the citizens. My government solicits wholehearted participation and cooperation of the people in realizing its program of Swachh Bharat Neetal Goyam. As a nominee of Honorable Prime Minister of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, I have continued my sincere efforts to create better awareness among the people for maintaining cleanliness at all places. I have always dreamt that Goa should be the cleanest state. I am happy to mention that there has been encouraging and positive response from all the citizens in regard to the implementation of this program. Let us inculcate discipline within us as we still have a long way to go. I urge to all to give a serious thought to the matter of cleanliness to make Goa the cleanest state. Honorable members, we come together to celebrate democracy, treasured value and culture that has prospered throughout the long history of our nation. Indeed, a culture that guides my government towards saaf niyat, sahi vikas. I am confident that together we can make it possible. Let us rededicate ourselves to the cause of nation building. Let us have the sense of coordination and synchronization in thought process to make Goa a golden Goa. Om सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Para 13 to 16 be deemed as read.
Sir, I lay a copy of the address by the governor on the table of the house.
था गोंय बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड हांणी विधिमंडळ सचिव हांच्या जोड पावलान बायोडायवर्सिटी ह्या विशयाचेर एक व्याख्यान आयज आतां आमच्या PAC हॉलांत आयोजीत केल्लें आसा. माननीय सगळ्या आमदारांनी ह्या कार्यक्रमाक हाजीर रावचें, सगळ्यांच्या पर्यंत इन्विटेशन्स पावल्लीं आसा. आतां सभागृह तशेंच आमचे प्रेस मिडियाचे भाव आसा, हांच्यांनी बी बायोडायवर्सिटी वयलो विशयाचेर हें व्याख्यान आयकपाक PAC हॉलांत हजर रावचें. आतां सभागृहा मुखार आनी कांयच कामकाज नाशिल्ल्यान ह्या सभागृहाचें कामकाज फाल्यां दनपारां 11:30 मेरेन स्थगीत करता.